Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down at Hastings, end of Graydon's Road. Steel horse on the runway, SD70 ACE made by AMD, and he's just waiting on a Doodlebug coming down from the darkness down there, and heading towards Hastings, and then the steel horse will be heading towards town. So like I said, I think we're about 60 kilometres southeast of Melbourne here in Hastings. Let's wait for this Doodlebug and we'll get a train meet. So we've made it down to Park Lane. Couldn't wait for the Doodlebug. Couldn't risk not being able to get out of that freight. So we'll get out and we'll wait for him. He won't be far off. One of our local buses. Pretty much follows the Stony Point train, but it goes to Balnarring instead. Okay, freight ahoy. There's light coming around the corner there. Flick it out to widescreen. Pretty close to the train here. Here comes the ace in the lead. Motor and jack. He was absolutely motor and jack. There goes his EOT past Somerville. Awesome. Flicking past, that was. Alright. Well, I'm going to head down to Crib Point now and we'll finish off with the night Doodlebug. Coming back over the blue scope turnout now. It's a blue scope exclusive track right there. The 60 zone as we're entering Hastings. We are on the approach to Hodgins Road crossing, one of the fastest Doodlebug crossings in along the line here. Pull up for a park. And he shouldn't be too far away. Down there it's about 400 metres or half a click, quarter of a mile. That's Hastings Station, and these lights will actually start going as he gets to the station, even though he's got another crossing to go over. This building over here, I've got some footage of the 20 odd metre crane lifting those concrete preformed slabs up into the air and attaching them. Previous video. Okay, Doodlebug ahoy. See the flashing lights down there at the next intersection. Zoom that out a bit. There go our lights. That's about how far away he is. Remember to look out for trains. Not too many steam trains along here though. Pretty cold today. Looks like we've got him coming along the track now. Go to widescreen. He was motoring. Okay, like I said, it was pretty cold today, low 40s with wind chill. The only good thing about it is it keeps the snakes down. Only got bitten 3 times today. Okay, well that's the last train for the night. Been out since about 1 o'clock today. Got a bit of filming as we go out of focus. Alright, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, leave a comment, ring the notification bell, beat the algorithm, and I will catch you in the next one. And that'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder out.